Next one, guys. Ew. What is that? What is up, guys? Welcome back to this Slimeatory! Okay, guys, today I'm doing a little makeover on my background slime. So I've had these for a very long time now, and I'm gonna be a little honest, guys. Some of them are a little rotten.
What?
Yeah, okay. So, yeah, I'm gonna be redoing it. We also got a new Slimeatory. It used to be like all different colors, but now it's really pastel, and I really enjoy it.
Yeah, so you got that doesn't match over here.
Yeah, so a lot of them don't really match too well, and also they're really old, so why don't we just do a makeover? And also, guys, I'm gonna have another meet and greet, and I'm very, very excited for it because I love meeting you guys. The last ones were super fun. It is on July 28th around 3 p.m. at Cast Coasters. I will have more information about it in the description down below. And today's like button challenge is gonna be try press like button with your chin. We've done this one before, but we're gonna do it again. And let's get straight on into the video. Yo! I don't really think we need to change this one because I really like this one. I'm just gonna show you guys for the people who didn't see it. I've done one like this kind of before where I fixed them, but I didn't make over. But yeah, this one I'm just gonna show. I might need to activate it again. But yeah, this one is a blueberry butter. I believe it's scented like blueberry. It smells really good. This looks really nice, guys. It's really nice. Smells really good too. All right, well, that is it for that one. Just need to be a little mixed again. Next one on the blue shelf is this red one. It is really bad, guys. Look at it. Okay, so I got a fork, guys. Look at this ASMR. Wait. It's kind of ASMR.
Looks like fish eggs.
Ew, this is gonna look really disgusting if I take all the the fish weeds out. And that's how you make a disgusting looking slime. Ew, that is so disgusting. Okay. Oh my god. This is bad. I don't think it's that bad. It's just bad on the top. It just got dry. Yeah. Okay, so we are all done with that. I'm gonna go ahead and just throw this away. Oh my god, I missed the trash can. So I missed the trash can again. Just kidding, but that looks really weird. So, first I'm gonna start out with some glue. I'm gonna make like a fluffy slime. Though I'm not gonna put too much of that. I'm gonna make it pink because I like pink pastel slimes. I'm gonna mix that all up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and activate this with some contact lens solution. Let's go ahead and just activate this, guys. Okay, I'm all done, guys. Look at that. It's like the perfect amount of fluffy.
Can I touch it?
Super soft, super nice and matte. Yeah, you can touch it.
Yay.
Really nice, guys. Okay, so I think we did a pretty good job with that. It's a very nice, simple slime. It's gonna be on the bottom, so it doesn't really matter if it's so simple, but look at that. That is gorgeous. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put the lid back on, and we'll put it back over here. Oh my god, that looks beautiful. Okay, next slime. Okay, so this one is peach butter. This part broke though because of, can you guess who?
Brownie Batter.
Yeah. So anyways, here's the slime. Really, really, really nice. It is a pastel orange peach color, you know, with peach buttercream. Peach butter, I'm not sure. And it has a peach scent and it smells amazing.
Are you gonna replace that one?
I don't know. I don't think so. I really like this one. This one I'm gonna keep the same because it is super pretty. Next one is this orange one. This one is really bad. Okay, so first of all, there's a dead fly in it.
What?
Yep, right there.
Oh, that is gross.
That's how old it is. I don't even know how it got in there because these are always closed. I never played with this one. Oh my god. Oh no. Okay. Okay, guys, let's keep going. Just ignore that. All right. Next one I'm gonna make, guys, is a clear pigmented. I'm using some Crazy Art glue, some pigment in there. There is food coloring all over this bottle. Oh my. Guys, it is everywhere, the dye. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of blue. And ta-da! Oh my god, guys, that is beautiful. All right, so let's mix that. Oh my god, that is gorgeous, darling, gorgeous. Okay, a little bit more activator. Wow, this pigment is gold. Okay, who agrees that I should make a giant water slime?
I do.
Me too. Okay, so it's slowly activating, and it's activating very nicely. Guys, this is beautiful. I love it so much. Oh, look at how jiggly it is. And it's so, like, pigmented. I didn't even put that much pigment. This slime slays my world. Like, it literally got a knife and just, like, cut it up in pieces. It's kind of mean, to be honest. Okay, well, that is the slime I made, guys. It is beautiful. Now let me just go ahead and wash the container. Okay, we got the bowl clean thanks to Paul, so thank you, Paul.
You're welcome.
Ooh, that filled it up real nice. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, that looks gorgeous, guys. I love that. Wow, that is gorgeous. Okay, so I don't know if we can put that right here because that might not match. It would match right here, but it's really beautiful. Okay, I'm just trying to figure out which slime I should make next. I don't know. Well, I'm just gonna show you guys this one first. This one is my brownie batter. I might have to fix it because it did get dry again. That is completely dry, but it's okay, guys. This is the second time I've fixed it, so I'll just fix it again. All right, look at that, though. It looks kind of like a pastry. Wow, it looks really good. It looks like a cookie. It's gonna be a little quick tutorial for you guys. If you have any butter slime you really love and you don't want to throw away, but it dried up, don't worry. Get it, get a bowl, stick it all back in there. Just completely drown it in water. It's fine. It won't like make the slime jiggly. It's just so that it can kind of soften it up. You're gonna dump the water out the end, but so we're gonna leave that until the end of the video and I'll show you guys after, but just leave it like that. And yeah, okay. Next one, guys. Ew. What is that? Why do these even get bad? Like, I don't even touch them that much. Oh my god. Probably want to smell this time.
Nope,
it smells really good.
Yeah, I don't know.
So this time, guys, I'm gonna be making a clear slime. It's gonna be kind of like a sugar scrub type deal. I'm gonna be putting some of these icy beads, I think they're called, fishbowl beads type deal. Okay, and I decided to make my brown food coloring like before, you know, I put it in the slime because I always mess up the slime because of the blue. So yeah, it's very diluted though, so it's not gonna work the best. It's pretty cool. So if you guys have problems with food coloring, make it before in a little bottle like this. I like this. I'm gonna use this, maybe make it a little bit more saturated, but yeah, this looks nice. Look at that color. Wow, that is nice. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit of Knoll shower gel from Bath and Body Works because I really like the smell of it, and I feel like if I add some of it to this slime, I think it'll make it smell like that, but I really hope it doesn't mess up the texture or anything. Smells really good, guys. I was right. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add the activator. Okay, and hopefully it activates well. This smells really good, guys. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add the sugar beads. I don't know, I think they're called like icy beads or sugar beads. I feel like the slime is gonna be pretty. Done? Here it is, guys. Here's the finished product. Okay, I decided to add a little bit of gold glitter because I feel like it'll kind of look cool, like, you know, like the sugar scrub. Ooh, that looks pretty. Exactly what I wanted, I think. Okay, this is really nice. This is gonna be my favorite, guys, I think. You guys comment down below what your favorite is too by the end of the video, and yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and close that. I think it will turn darker once it clears up, but this is a beauty, guys. We're gonna put that right there. Next slime. So this one is a green bubblegum slime, and I think I'm gonna have to relieve it of its duty. But it was very, very nice. But it's not very pastel. You know, I think I'm just gonna keep this one, guys, but I'm gonna add some Daiso clay to it so that it has a different texture, and then also so it is more pastel. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Well, it didn't get as pastel as I wanted it to be. I want it to be like really light green. So guys, I am all done with this. It is gorgeous. I'm just gonna add one finishing touch to it really quick. Okay, so my finishing touch, guys, I'm gonna add a little bit of black glitter to kind of make it like mint chocolate chip. Kind of looks like a kiwi too. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add that into there. And we are all done with this one. Oh my God, look at how pretty it is. I decided I'm gonna put the purple one on top of here because it matches a lot better. And I think I'll just keep that one there. We have one more slime, guys. This one was my clear slime. I don't know what happened to it. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna use a dirty, rotten slime spoon. What does it smell? Oh my God, what happened to it? What the? It's like gelatin. Well, at least it's not hard to clean. Guys, this stinks. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and throw that away. So, next I'm gonna make is a clear slime again. So I think that should be Gucci. I'm using some crazy art clear glue, by the way. I'm gonna dye it pink, and I actually diluted my pink because it is just way too strong. I'm gonna put a little bit of holographic glitter, a little bit of pink glitter, and some of this confetti glitter from Target. It is gold. You guys should definitely go and get it. Okay, so let's go ahead and mix that. Ooh, that is a really pretty color. I think I'm gonna dilute my food colorings from now on, guys. It's working a lot better. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and activate it. Look at how beautiful this slime is. Okay, I'm all done, guys. I think this one really turned out really well, and it is a little bit darker than it looks because it has bubbles, I think. I don't know, it looks a little purple for some reason. Anyways, it is really, really pretty. I really love the color of it, and yeah. Okay, well, I cannot wait for this one to clear up. I love all the glitters in it, and we'll just put that straight into there. And presto, beautiful. Put that one right there, this one up here. Now it is time for the big one. It is completely watery. It is really pretty though, but we're gonna have to get rid of it. But now I'm gonna start on the slime. Okay, so I'm gonna make this much. Okay, so I hope that's enough. Guys, what my plan is to make a giant avalanche slime, and it's gonna be so beautiful. I'm not gonna be able to mix it though, because you know, that would suck, but it is gonna be beautiful. Okay, let me just go ahead and activate this very quickly, guys, with my magic.
Whoa!
Yeah, I know. Okay, guys, it's already in the jar. I'm gonna take it out though. So yeah, it is very thick. Okay, I'm all done, guys. Okay, guys, I am already this is just gonna be wonderful. Okay, I cannot wait till this clears up. I'm gonna activate this yellow one a little bit more. I'm trying to aim to like not even be able to stretch, just because I really don't want it to completely mix by the time this all clears up. Yay! Oh my God, this is gonna be beautiful. I just wish it was a little bit more straight, this line. Now we just add the finishing touches. I have this white slime from a slime that I had already made previously, and I just put some water because I don't want it to be too heavy. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I think we're Gucci. I am excited, guys. Behold, look, the new and improved slime. There it is, guys. Look at how pretty it is. I am so excited for this to clear up. And I just realized I probably should have activated this more. I might melt. Thanks to Paul for reminding me. I almost forgot my brownie slime. So now that it is all soaked up and stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and just like take out all the water. Don't throw it away yet. You might need it. Okay, now I'm gonna take your butter slime and knead it together. And if it's really, really dry, guys, you might want to like leave it for like 2 days or maybe a whole day, or I don't know, just longer. So now you're gonna go ahead and knead it together. And you can do this with like basically any slime that dries up. Butter slime is the easiest though, because it's kind of like muddy. Okay, guys, so here it is. It still has a lot of chunks in it, like right here, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has a lot of chunks. So I think I'm just gonna kind of like put a little bit more water, or just kind of like let it stay there. But like, as you guys can see, look at it. is new and improved. Just have to put a little bit more water, maybe some lotion too. But yeah, that is it. The slime is done. And I'm gonna put that on the shelf. Ta-da! Okay, well guys, I hope you liked today's video and the slimes makeover. Make sure you comment down below what your favorite one is. I think my favorite would be this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, well that's it guys. Thanks so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!